Hello everyone, Andy Schwab here from Northern Ag Network as we've had the opportunity to come to the Cowboy State for the Wyoming Farm Bureau Federation's 106th annual meeting, and some pretty big news actually coming out of the Wyoming Farm Bureau Federation. And the insurance side of that is Wyoming Farm Bureau Insurance, or the Mountain West Mutual Insurance, has come together and is going to be merging with the Idaho Farm Bureau Insurance. And with us now, Todd Argel and also Jim Giese. Jim, I probably will start with you because Mountain West Farm Bureau Insurance has been around for 75 plus years, started in a living room in Wyoming in Laramie, but that Laramie route is going to continue on, it sounds like.
You bet. The Wyoming presence, and we started in 1948, so just celebrated 77 years, of course, and it was the Farm Bureau membership that created enough capital, put together enough capital to start the insurance company. And then in 58, we joined up with the Montana Farm Bureau Federation, put together a group, and that eventually became Mountain West Farm Bureau. So the big news there is we are merging with Idaho. There's some important aspects that I'll let my cohort here from Idaho talk to you about, Mr. Todd Argel. But I think the most important thing for us is the presence in Laramie will continue in the community to support Wyoming, Montana, and with that, and Colorado, of course, we have a presence there. So with that in mind, the only big change to and news is that Mountain West Farm Bureau Mutual Insurance Company, that mutual aspect, will move up into a holding company in Idaho, and therefore will be Mountain West Farm Bureau Insurance Company. So that's important. Everybody knows that we still keep that identity.
Absolutely, and as mentioned, Todd Argel with us, on that, Todd. But as Todd mentioned, or as Jim mentioned, that you guys have been around a while too yourself, and you guys have been serving producers and consumers of Idaho. Give us just kind of the background of the Farm Bureau Insurance of Idaho.
Yes, we're actually 1 year older than Mountain West Farm Bureau Mutual Insurance Company, celebrating our 75th anniversary a year before Mountain West did. So we've had a long presence in Idaho, recently also expanding into the state of Washington as the endorsed Farm Bureau insurance carrier there. But we have a strong and commitment to the ag community in Idaho, and all customers in Idaho, as we have a large market share in both ag, of course, #1 market share, and commercial and personal lines business as well. So.
Absolutely. And so probably the message here for those producers that have utilized Mountain West, like myself, for many years, is to just continue working with your agent at your local level.
Absolutely. Our local agents, whether in Idaho or Mountain West, are the key piece of the relationship with our customers, and certainly our ag customers, commercial customers, personal lines customers. Keep working with your local agent and get the level of service that you expect and need to ensure that your ag operation is properly protected.
As mentioned, there's a lot of details there, but we do have the press release posted on our website, northernag.net. You can find all the details there. And as mentioned, just continue as usual, and that'll wrap us up here in Gillette at the Wyoming Farm Bureau Federation 106th annual meeting. I'm Andy Schwab, Northern Ag Network.